Hi folks, Rob Peter here, Director of Strategic Accounts for Synergy Solutions. Today, I'm going to show you how to obtain your usages using volumetric cylinders. So first off, why two volumetric cylinders? The first one being a 250 milliliter volumetric cylinder. We utilize this to hold the chemistry while we do our measurement. The second one is a 100 milliliter volumetric cylinder. This one's actually to use our precise measurement. By doing this, we have 1 milliliter increments, where the 250 has 2 milliliter increments. Next, before we actually start doing our physical testing, proper PPE is always necessary, right? First off, a good pair of safety glasses to protect you. In my case, I also have regular glasses as well. Second one is good rubber gloves or nitrile. Last, I recommend having a towel or rag available. You never know when you're gonna have a little bit of spillage. All right, let's get into it. So as mentioned before, we're going to be using a 250 milliliter volumetric cylinder and a 100 milliliter. Now, when you're pulling your chemical hose out of your primary container, always remember to let it drain a little bit, and that's when that towel comes in handy again. Put it in, go to fill up your container, your 250 milliliter volumetric cylinder. You can fill this up to your desired level, but I like to go to 250 milliliters. Makes it so we don't have to remember where we were at as we're testing cars. Before you fill it up, always want to make sure it is sunk all the way to the bottom. Your foot valve is. In this case, we are. Now next up, run a couple of cars. Now we've had the opportunity to wash 3 test vehicles. Our level has gone down some. We have the opportunity now to use our 100 milliliter volumetric cylinder to top it off. Generally speaking, I like to run 3 to 5 vehicles to get a good average, giving us various size vehicles. Now that I've filled up our 250 milliliter volumetric cylinder, we look at our 100, again, 1 milliliter increments. Be able to identify how many mils we've used, and then we take that and divide it by the number of cars that you've washed to see how many milliliters you've used in that one specific application. Now that we've completed our test, always a good reminder when you go to put back your chemical hose to do the exact opposite of what we did originally. Pulling it out, make sure you clean it off nicely so you're not spilling anywhere, dripping everywhere, and put it back into your primary container. Always a good rule of thumb is once you're complete, wash these thoroughly so they're ready for the next use.